Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can export tables in your Confluence pages to CSV format so you can use them in Microsoft Excel or in Google Sheets. Here I have a page in Confluence, and if I scroll down you'll see I've got a table here which shows a date, a title and a topic for each of these months. And what I'd like to do is take this contents here and take that into Excel or Sheets. So at the top of the page I can click Capable and I can select Export. And then you'll see here we've got Table 1 and it gives us the preview of the headers in that table. And if we just simply click on this, it will download that as a CSV. And if we open that CSV in Google Sheets, you'll see we've got the contents of our Confluence table. Now we can actually interact with it from Google Sheets, which gives us a whole lot more power when it comes to filtering and sorting, for example. As you can see, Capable makes it really easy to export data that you've got held in your Confluence pages to files that you can then use in other systems. I hope that was useful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.